with the SC decision po na sinasabi nga po yung red tagging is a threat to life and liberty. Tapos may panawagan, ano po yung inyong komento muna dito? And then second question is, may panawagan po yung Makabayan Bloc to abolish po itong NTF-ELCAC, and I think even the UN rapporteur, sinabi na rin po nila to, has recommended, I guess, earlier this year, na i-abolish. So dapat na rin po ba talagang i-abolish din ang NTF-ELCAC?
First, we haven't read the Supreme Court ruling, no? Obviously, there are reasons na minsan ang red tagging really results in a threat to the security of certain persons. But it has also to be balanced with yung tungkulin din ng Estado na siguraduhin ang kapakanan ng mas nakakarami. So, we'd want to know sana from the Supreme Court ruling paano yung pagbabalanse ng dalawang pananaw ukol sa red tagging. Doon naman sa pagbuwag ng LTF-ELCAC, no, I think the President is proceeding with more caution, no. I think the way I read it, no, Malacanang is proceeding with caution, conscientiously, with how to deal with the insurgency problem. They have not definitively acted, and given that this is a policy decision of the executive.
Again, I trust the decision of the president, also the executive, in regards to the abolishment or not of the NTF-ELCAC. Although we all know that the armed forces or these are problems with our local terrorist groups. Sa amin po, nagkaroon po kami ng problema sa ginto, sa Isabela. Marami po kaming armed conflict dati. Definitely, nabawasan na po ito, kumonti na, but it still exists in certain parts of the country. So yun po yung completing gusto natin mawala. No? And there have been success of the NTF-ELCAC.